Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Partnerize login, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your Partnerize login, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Partnerize login page. Look for the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to a password reset page. Enter the email address associated with your Partnerize account. Double-check that you've entered the correct email address. Click the Submit button to request a password reset. Check your email inbox for a message from Partnerize. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click the password reset link provided in the email. You will be redirected to a secure page to create a new password. Enter your new password in the designated field. Make sure your password meets the security requirements. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. Click the Reset Password button to finalize the process. Once your password has been reset, you will receive a confirmation message. Return to the Partnerize login page. Enter your email and the new password to log in. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your Partnerize login. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.